Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use CurseForge Minecraft mods. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, assuming that you already downloaded this one. And by the way, if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to use this one, well, we have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check our channel out. So for this video, just for example, you don't have it, okay, just go ahead over to your favorite browser and type down CurseForge app. Click on it, now click on download CurseForge app right here and download standalone. Okay, and once that's downloaded, well, just go ahead and install it. It's pretty easy. Okay, and once done, you will have this UI. Now in here, what you got to do is just go ahead over to the Minecraft logo, and then you can go ahead and create your own mod pack. All right, so create right here, give it a name, for example, my mods. Okay, now select the game version. For example, just the latest one, I'm going to use it right here, and go ahead and select your mod loader. As you can see, modding on Minecraft using CurseForge or even Modpack right here is pretty easy. All you got to do, you don't have to download it manually. This application right here downloads everything for you. Okay, so mod loader version, select whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the latest version and hit on create. Okay, or you could go ahead and choose vanilla. Let's say I'm just going to use vanilla right here, just because it's pretty easy. Okay, it's easier. And then what you're going to do next is just basically add in your content on mods or even data packs. Okay, you go ahead over to this filter. You have resource packs, shaders, and worlds right here. Even with mods, the process is just the same. So if you want to see mods, so let's just go ahead and create a new instance. So I'm going to create a new mod pack or instance. New. I'm going to use maybe Forge version, create. Now add in your content. Just wait for it to download, by the way, as it's installing Forge for you. Okay. Now while it installs, you can go ahead and add in your content from here. So which mod would you like? Okay. Make sure that mods is selected right here. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and download the Zeros minimap, and then maybe Macau's bridges right here. I'm going to hit on install and just wait for the process to finish. Okay, maybe just the two. And then once that's done, you can go back. Okay, here you have your instance, and as you can see here, you have the list of all the mods that you have installed. So just basically click on play, and it will open up your Minecraft launcher. And then once you're in here, go ahead over to Java Edition and just select your instance from here. Okay, hit on play, and just wait for it to load and enjoy. Now here we have it. Just hit on continue. Now you can go and check your mods right here. As you can see, here we have it all installed. Open up a world. Once done, you're good to go. That is it. That's how easy it is to use CurseForge for Minecraft mods. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.